heart of a vast and ancient forest, filled with towering trees and shimmering streams, lived a variety of animals in harmony. This forest was ruled by a wise old owl who kept peace among the inhabitants. Among these creatures was a small, clever rabbit named Chatura. Known for her intelligence and quick thinking, Chatura often helped the other animals solve their problems. This is the story of how Chatura used her wit to save the forest from a looming threat. Chapter 1. Peaceful Forest. Forest was a place of beauty and tranquility. Birds sang from the treetops, deer grazed in the meadows, and rabbits like Chatura hopped around playfully. The animals lived together in harmony, each playing their part in maintaining the balance of nature. Chatura, what a beautiful day! I think I'll gather some fresh herbs for dinner tonight. As Chatura wandered through the forest, she greeted her friends, the squirrels, the hedgehogs, and the songbird. Chapter 2. The Arrival of Danger. One evening, as the sun was setting and casting a golden glow over the forest, a loud roar echoed through the trees. The animals froze in fear. It was a lion named Raja, who had wandered into their peaceful home. Raja, this forest will be my new hunting ground. All the animals here are now my prey. The animals gathered in a secret meeting, terrified of the new predator. Dear, we must do something. Raja will destroy our peaceful lives. Squirrel, but what can we do? He's so powerful. Leave it to me. I have a plan. Chapter 3. Chatura's Plan. Chatura was known for her cleverness, and the animals trusted her. She quickly devised a plan to outsmart Raja. Chatura, we will trick Raja into thinking there's a stronger lion in the forest. He will leave out of fear. The animals were skeptical but agreed to go along with Chatura's plan. They helped her set up the necessary elements for the trick. Chapter 4. Trick. The next morning, Chatura approached Raja with confidence. Chatura, mighty Raja, I bring you a warning. There is another lion in this forest who claims to be stronger than you. Impossible. Take me to this lion. I will show him who the real king is. Chatura led Raja to a deep well and pointed inside. He is down there. Raja looked into the well and saw his own reflection. Mistaking it for another lion, he roared in anger. The reflection roared back, and in his fury, Raja jumped into the well to attack. Chapter 5. The Aftermath. With Raja gone, the forest returned to its peaceful state. The animals celebrated Chatura's cleverness and bravery. Owl, Chatura, you have saved us all. Your quick thinking has brought peace back to our home. We all played a part. It's our unity that keeps us strong. The animals lived happily, always remembering the day Chatura outsmarted the mighty Raja. Chapter 6. A New Threat. Time passed and the forest thrived. However, one day the animals noticed something strange. Trees were being cut down, and the sound of axes echoed through the woods. Beaver, humans are destroying our home. What can we do, Chatura? Chatura knew that this threat required a different approach. She decided to negotiate with the humans. Chapter 7. The Negotiation. Chatura approached the humans cautiously, with a white flag as a sign of peace. Chatura, please, stop cutting down our trees. This forest is our home. The leader of the humans, a kind-hearted woman named Maya, listened to Chatura. Maya, we did not realize this forest was home to so many animals. We will find another place to gather wood. Chatura, thank you, Maya. Your kindness will be remembered. The humans left, and the forest was safe once more. Chapter 8. The Celebration. The animals held a grand celebration to thank Chatura for her bravery and intelligence. They sang songs, danced, and shared stories of their adventures. Sparrow, to Chatura, the cleverest rabbit in the forest. Chatura, thank you everyone. Remember, it's our unity and cooperation that make us strong. Chapter 9. Chatura's Legacy. As the years passed, Chatura's story became a legend in the forest. Cleverness and bravery were remembered by all, and she continued to help her friends whenever they needed her. One day, a young rabbit asked Chatura, "How do you always come up with such clever ideas?" Chatura, by thinking calmly, understanding the problem, and working together with my friends. That's the key to solving any challenge. Conclusion. Chatura's cleverness and bravery became a source of inspiration for all the animals in the forest. They learned to face challenges with courage and wisdom, always remembering that unity and cooperation are their greatest strength. And so, the forest remained a place of peace and harmony, thanks to the clever rabbit who always knew how to outsmart any threat.